Good afternoon. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. Today is Friday, May 8th. My guests today are County Clerk Michael Backus and Diane Oldenburg, Senior Public Health Educator for the Oswego County Health Department. I want to first give a shout out to members of the County Legislature, Assemblyman Will Barkley, and the Dairy Farmers of America, and everyone who helped with yesterday's milk distribution events. In particular, I want to thank Legislator Terry Wilbur of Hannibal for doing the legwork and getting the milk to Oswego County. In Central Square, we served more than 400 households in just about an hour. Everything flowed smoothly and the traffic was kept moving by the state police, Central Square Village Police, and our sheriff's department. Unfortunately, we ran out of milk and had to turn people away. The legislature will continue to work with the Dairy Farmers of America and our local dairy farms to bring more of these events to Oswego County. It has now been 49 days since we were first notified of our first 2 positive cases of COVID-19 on March 22nd. Since then, our health department has tracked and monitored more than 2,000 people. Almost all of those who tested positive have recovered. Sadly, we have had 3 people die of COVID-19 related causes in our county. Over the past few days, we have seen a few more positive test results. This shows that coronavirus is continuing to spread in our community. The virus will continue to affect our lives for the foreseeable future. We need to continue to avoid group gatherings and continue to practice other protective measures. Now, I will ask Diane to give today's report from the County Health Department. Diane?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Today's report, as of today, we've tested or have scheduled 2,012 people to be tested for coronavirus. We've had 72 positive test results come back for residents. We have 57 residents that have recovered from COVID-19. We've had 3 deaths related to COVID-19. The total number of active positive cases is 12. We've had 1,869 negative test results returned to the health department. We have 65 test results still pending. To date, we have 55 residents under precautionary quarantine, and we have 61 residents in mandatory isolation or quarantine. And to date, 2,089 residents have completed and been released from either precautionary or mandatory isolation or quarantine. Thanks.
Thank you, Diane. Our county departments have continued to provide vital services over the past several weeks. We've invited County Clerk Michael Backus today to tell us how citizens are being served through the County Clerk's office. Michael?
Thank you, Chairman. The Oswego County Clerk's office has continued serving the public and is an essential function of government throughout this pandemic. Our staff has constructively changed the way we operate in several ways to optimize our performance and ensure that services are available to the public. A few frequent topics that we address every day include pistol permits, notary services, court filings, business certificates, and passports. Pistol permit transactions are still available to be processed by our office by calling 315-349-8620. We have adjusted our practices to facilitate those transactions through mail or email as well. We are processing amendments to permits. I know amendments has been a topic of discussion in other counties, but here in Oswego County, we are working with our licensing officer, Judge Walter Hafner, and in partnership, we're able to work through just about any transaction when it comes to pistol permits. Notary services are available by appointment in my office. Please call the same number, 315-349-8620, to schedule an appointment. We typically have anywhere from 3 to 6 qualified notary publics available daily. The court system has largely been closed since the onset of this pandemic. As such, we are only allowed to accept emergency filings at this point. I would encourage anyone interested in court activity to visit www.nycourts.gov for more information. Business certificates can be processed by our office via email or regular mail. For more information on how to do that, please call our office at 315-349-8618 for more information. Passport services has been suspended indefinitely during this pandemic, and we are awaiting guidance from the Department of State on when those processes can resume. When we do reopen, and hopefully that is very soon, there will no doubt be things that continue to change. I am thankful that the Oswego County Clerk's Office has a history of working in partnership with several organizations, including the Oswego County Legislature, the Office of Court Administration, Real Property, our legal community, our title and research and abstractors, banks, and economic development organizations to ensure those essential services continue to be provided. We are already implementing electronic filing and other many recording devices for courts and land recordings, and we continue to work on ways to electronically manage records for the county. As change continues to come, we will be ready. Thank you again, Chairman, for the opportunity to share what the Oswego County Clerk's Office is doing. I encourage the public to visit our Facebook page where we continue to push updates. That address is www.facebook.com/Oswego County Clerk for more information. Thank you.
Thank you, Michael. We appreciate the work that you and your staff are doing to help our residents and businesses obtain the services they need. The fact that you have implemented electronic filing and are able to continue many essential services will help us all through the transition of reopening. As we head into the weekend, we realize that just about everyone is anxious to get out of the house. Weekends are tough for all of us. We still need to stay home as much as possible, practice social distancing when we are running essential errands. COVID-19 is real. It continues to take lives and cause devastating sickness in our community. Please have respect for your neighbors. Take personal responsibility for preventing the spread of this virus. If you think you have symptoms of COVID-19 or if you have questions, please call the Health Department's hotline at 315-349-3330. Visit the Health Department's COVID-19 webpage at health.oswegocounty.com/COVID-19 for the latest updates and credible sources of information. Stay safe and healthy, and thank you for your patience and cooperation. It is making a difference, and we're getting through this together.